Welcome to our Cisco Packet Tracer tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will guide you through the basics of using Cisco Packet Tracer, a powerful network simulation tool used by IT professionals around the world. First, let's start by opening Cisco Packet Tracer on your computer. Once the program is open, you will see the main interface, which consists of a workspace area and a toolbar with various tools and options. Next, let's create a simple network topology. You can drag and drop devices such as routers, switches, and computers from the toolbar onto the workspace. Then, you can connect these devices using cables by clicking on one device and dragging the cable to another device. Now, let's configure the devices in our network. You can double-click on a device to access its configuration settings, where you can set parameters such as IP addresses, subnet masks, and routing protocols. Once you have configured your network, you can simulate and test its functionality by clicking on the play button. This will allow you to see how data flows through your network and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. And that's it for our Cisco Packet Tracer tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful in getting started with this powerful networking tool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech tips.